Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and edit a photo on your MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So if your photo was taken by your iPhone and on your computer, you can go ahead and simply go ahead and open this Photos application and then locate the photo that you want to edit. And all you need to do is just click on edit on the top right hand of your screen. And as you can see, you can play around with the light, you can play around with the color. You can also just go ahead and make it auto. And you can also play around with the black and white. You can make that auto as well if you want to, or you could also rewind that. You can have red eye if you want to. White balance is available, curves are available, levels are available, definition is available. You can also make selective color blower. So for example, if I just go with a color picker, hit there, and then make the hue change, as you can see, it will compare and give it a different look. I can also give it as much saturation as I want, or just lower it as well. There's also noise reduction, as you can see. You can auto that as well if you want to. There's sharpen, you can auto that. Everything is right over here. So it is as simple as that. But if it is not a photo that is taken from your iPhone, you can simply go ahead and click on this markup tool right over here, and then you can start editing it right over here. But there are not much that you can do. You can only simply go ahead and play around with the size. You can add signatures, stuff like that. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.